Hi everyone, in my last review I told you about the new satellite cross-chain bridge from the Axelar project. Now it's time to take a closer look at the network itself and its other projects. Let me remind you that Axelar is a universal interaction network that connects all blockchains, applications, assets and users into one big ecosystem. The network allows developers to use the platform for their needs, while using the Axelar stack to provide interoperability and liquidity between networks. The Axelar network consists of a set of protocols, tools and APIs designed to remove barriers in cross-chain communication. With this decentralized open validator network, anyone can join, use and grow using the network. Axelar's co-founders are graduates of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, where they received notable recognition as part of their graduate studies. The first point on our Axelar journey is the Quantum Community Program. It's a kind of ambassador program, but with some differences from the usual format. Everyone who is interested can participate in a contest, which begins with a simple application. After that, the Axelar Foundation selects the top 300 works, which will move on to the next stage. The process is repeated 3 more times. Everyone who successfully passes to the next round receives special rewards in the form of NFTs and network tokens. Of course, the main task of participants is to create content dedicated to Axelar. Participants can create blog posts about various aspects of Axelar, informative videos, technical blog posts, translations, infographics and social media channels dedicated to Axelar. Next is the Axelar Academy. This is an educational center that was created and is managed by the project's community. It's a kind of knowledge base that covers all aspects of the network, where the best work of Quantum Community Program participants will also be published. It would seem that the same role could be performed by the project's blog, but the Academy has larger goals. First, to create a database that is accessible and open to all, and managed by the community. This allows newcomers to quickly understand what the network is all about. Second, a simple blog can't cover everything, and some material will just get lost there, such as works from Quantum Community Program. By submitting your original work, you can be sure that it will be seen by all supporters of the project, if it deserves it. As Axelar is just beginning its journey and is already starting to expand rapidly, the Academy itself will be expanding along with it. Although the Quantum Community Program will only last for a limited time, Axelar Academy will always be in need of new content. Everything from quality infographics to great developer guides and informational videos for ordinary community members will be needed. Anyone with an idea for post to video can test themselves and submit their work for consideration for publication by the Academy. There is a special form on the site for this. Moving on to the next point. One of Axelar's first achievements was the release of the source code for 2 Rust language crates for multi-party cryptography under a permissive and conventional dual Apache 2 MIT license. The released crates are called TOFN and TOFND. They provide an implementation for multi-party cryptography protocols used in the Axelar network. Axelar uses various multi-party protocols to handle cross-chain requests. Multi-party protocols are crucial for creating decentralized communication protocols between blockchains. They allow a group of validators to make collective decisions about which transaction should be processed. Multi-party key generation and signing are the 2 main things needed to process such requests. These primitives can be implemented by several methods, including basic multi-signatures and cryptographic thresholding protocols, which are great for saving gas costs or translation sizes. Axelar currently utilizes both of these methods via TOFN and TOFND, with more to come in the future. Besides all that, Axelar periodically releases its own NFTs for the project participants. The first limited edition collection was released last October. This was done to thank the community for their active support of the testnet and overall involvement. A total of 3,800 NFTs were minted and all were distributed to early community members. No more of these NFTs will be released, but we can expect new collections when the project is even more successful, while the owners of the first collection can get rich very unexpectedly. For such a young project, Axelar's achievements are impressive. The project team noticed a big problem in existing ecosystems and decided to fix it by creating a network that brings the entire decentralized world into one. Faster and more secure blockchains are being created on which developers can build. And while these developers are building amazing applications, they also want access to liquidity and compatibility with other ecosystems. The creators of Axelar realized that the need for scalable cross-chain communication would only grow and created an amazing solution. We are confident that a bright future for Axelar is just around the corner, and the year 2022 will prove it. That's all for today. Remember that this video is an introductory one, and only you are personally responsible for all your actions. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next videos. Bye, everyone!